Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing the Gmail login blocked for security reasons problem. This usually happens when your Google detects suspicious login activity from a new device, location, or apps. So let's just fix it step by step. Oh, first of all, what we can do is we can start by verifying ourselves. We can go over to a browser and from here go over myaccount.google.com and open it up. Once you open it up, you can click on the security option here from the left menu. And from here, you can go to the recent security activity and look out for this and check for any kind of blocked sign-in attempts. If you see a device there, you can click yes, it was me to approve it and follow up the process. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go over and enable less secure access for all the application. So you can go to your old Google account once again and go to the security section. After that, you can go over and scroll down and go to your connections to third-party application, etc. And you can just go over and allow less secure apps. You can try removing the application that may be suspicious. You can just go ahead and do so. Apart from that, what you can do is you can reset your password if you're blocked. So what you can do is you can go over to accounts.google.com dash sign in and slash recovery and hit enter. After that, you will be taken to the space. You can just go over and select this option for forgot email or resetting your password. Provide in the required details for that. After you provide in the required details, you can just hit next and I'll just go over it and reset your password and you can log in again. This time Google will recognize your activity as new and as secure. And you can also turn on two-step verification if there is none, and that is how you basically fix the Google login block from security reason issues, and you can access your account safely again. So therefore, that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like if it was helpful, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.